Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Klarna account. First, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing klarna.com into the address bar. On the home page, select your country or region from the available options. Click the sign up button located at the top right corner of the page. On the next screen, choose Create Account. Enter a valid phone number. You'll receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code to verify your phone number. Once verified, fill in your display name and payment details. After completing all required fields, your Klarna account will be successfully set up and ready to use. And that's it. That's how to create Klarna account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.